morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, April 22nd, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Here's our kindness ambassador, Matthew, to announce our friendly Falcons.
We have a few friendly Falcons today. Alika in Miss Winfrey's room is nominated by Kayla because she helps her when she's sad and is a great friend. She was also nominated by Sydney because she cares for others. Ethan in Miss Sakor's room is nominated by Christine because he helps her sometimes when she is having trouble with her work. Mariah in Miss Brown's class was nominated by Amani for being nice and helping her with her work. Great job, and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton it will be cloudy with a high of 64 and a low of 55.
Happy birthday to Bryce in first grade and Farah in third grade.
Today in history, in 1955, Congress orders all U.S. coins to bear the motto, "In God We Trust."
In the headlines, Dutch citizens are using a doorbell to help fish pass through the canal gate. An underwater live streaming camera is being used, and on the live stream, the camera watcher would hear sound and then unlock the gate to let fish pass.
Today's fun fact is the average clown weighs 1.1 million pounds.
What? Now for the drink of the day. Hey Leah, why did the dog spit out the clown?
I don't know.
Because he tasted funny.
That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Aaliyah.
And I'm Aaliyah.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum.